Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make perfect coleslaw. First, choose a fresh, crisp head of cabbage, ideally around 2 pounds. Shred it finely, either by hand or with a food processor, for the best texture. Don't forget to add about 1/4 cup of finely grated carrot for a pop of color and a touch of natural sweetness. Lightly salt your shredded vegetables and let them sit for about 15 minutes. This helps draw out excess moisture. Now, let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the flavors. Whisk in 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed for that essential coleslaw taste. Finally, season your dressing with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Before mixing, make sure to thoroughly squeeze out any excess water from your salted cabbage mixture. This step is crucial for preventing a watery coleslaw. Now, gently combine the drained vegetables with your creamy dressing in a large bowl. Mix everything until the cabbage is evenly coated, ensuring every strand gets that delicious flavor. For the best results, refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your perfect coleslaw is now ready to be served. Enjoy it as a refreshing side dish with your favorite barbecue or fried chicken. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of paprika. Feel free to customize it further. Try adding chopped green onions for a mild onion flavor or a dash of hot sauce for a little kick. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.